what's up vlog? Andito tayo ngayon sa University of Perpetual Health System guys. So magkakaroon kami ng pinning ceremony guys. Yung mga kasama namin. No? Sino po kumalo?
Ako si
Sampaga, si Ramos, pati si... Ito, si Zakang. Subscribe niyan. Lalagay ko sa screen yung ano. So nag-practice kita guys. Oh vlog, sama ka ba? Yan guys oh. Nagre-ready pa lang sila. Ano?
Sige, pulo muna agad sa seconds na.
So guys, sobrang aga ng call time namin guys. So guys, break time namin guys. So, di pa ako nag-aalmusal. So, mag-aalmusal muna ako guys. Dahil, ano, hanggang 10 pa kasi ito yung event na to eh. Oh, sama ko. Paris ba? Ang layo ng Paris eh. So guys, paparis kami guys. Yan yung iba, nagbibig. What's up guys? Nandito na kami ngayon sa Parisan guys. Kasi break time pa namin. Kasama ko dito sila Francia, Romanis, yan.
Oy, expose. Expose yung pangalan.
Mga klase guys. Guys, kain muna tayo guys. Ito yung pagkain natin guys. Yan.
Naging food vlog na.
So guys, tapos na kami kumain guys. Pabalik na kami guys. Kakasama pa rin kami. Nakita namin dito sila ng Gonzales guys. Yan. Yan yung hallway namin guys. Yan. Guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa field guys. So, yan. Nag-sound check na sila ng sound system nila. Yan. Yung mga ano guys, so, mga cadets, mga CCI. Yan. So, inaantay pa namin dumating yung mga guests namin guys. Like yung mga professor at mga bisita guys. So, mag-i-start daw to sa oras na 8:30. So, ang oras ngayon is 8 na. Eksaktong 8. So, siguro any moment mag-i-start na rin to kasi naka-formation na rin yung mga audience na iba dun. Yung mga mothers. Pero, hindi ko kasama ngayon yung parents ko guys kasi hindi naman nire-require na sumama yung parents. So, may work kasi sila. So, yun. Di ko na sila ni-require din na sumama dito. So, andito rin naman yung kapatid ko guys. So, ano din sila. Ito, may nakagila na guys. Oh. Yan yung colors namin guys. Colors namin yun. Sila yung maghahawak ng flag. Guys, it's about to start na guys. Pinaperform na kami dito sa gitna guys. Ayun sila. Yan yung colors guys. Oh. Yan. So yun, congrats and good luck sa amin guys. Sana kayanin namin yung pagbaon dito ng pin. So guys, pinapaperform na kami guys. Pupunta na kami sa squadron namin. Dito nga pala kami guys. Ayan. Tapos yung kabila doon sa kabila. Like nga sa vlog ko pala. Pala guys, yung asa guys. Like sa vlog ko pala. So guys, naka-perm na kami dito sa squadron namin guys. Hindi namin guys. Sidin.
Sir, morning sir!
Hindi namin guys. Ayun yung isang squadron guys. Oh, hi ka muna sa vlog ko pre. Batingin mo yung mga pre, batingin mo yung mga shoutout sa mga Naberia! Shoutout. Wala daw. Alam guys, kung makapag-video pa ako mamaya pagka tinataktak na yung pin dito kasi wala akong cameraman eh. So, hahanap tayo na pwede mag-video. Guys, dumating na rin yung ibang guest namin guys. Nakita nyo guys, so pawis na ako guys. Init kasi. Guys, we're about to start na. So good luck sa lahat and congratulations for all the CCI of the batch 2025. The final truth, where knowledge emanates, where we have learned life will bear fruit, for our success awaits. The children here we sing for thee, we raise our voices clear, we shout the cheer in unity, for alma mater dear. Training the mind and the heart and the hands, ready to serve as best as we can. Perpetual help by the banner we stand, loyal and true by the faith for the land. Perpetual help, the power of truth, where knowledge emanates, where we have learned life will bear fruit, for our success awaits. The children here we sing for thee, here is our voices clear, we shout in cheer unity, for alma mater dear, for alma mater dear, alma mater.
Cadet at the University of Mental Health System Laguna.
Cadets, University of Mental Health System Laguna.
Having successfully completed your classroom instruction,
Having successfully completed my classroom instruction,
you solemnly swear to uphold the values
holds the values
and the principles
and the principles
that have been instilled in me
that has been instilled in me
throughout my training.
throughout my training.
I commit to apply the knowledge and skills
I commit to apply the knowledge and skills
I have gained with integrity,
I have gained with integrity,
discipline, and excellence.
discipline, and excellence,
Both my profession and life.
both my profession and life.
I will carry the name of my institution
I will carry the name of my institution
with
with pride,
representing it with honor,
presenting it with honor,
professionalism,
professionalism, and respect.
in every duty I perform,
In every duty I perform,
in every challenge I face.
in every challenge I face.
As I receive this last year in duty,
I receive this last gift.
I accept the responsibility it symbolizes,
I accept the responsibility and responsibility,
a mark of my progress,
a mark of my progress,
and a constant reminder
and a constant reminder
of the expectations I must uphold.
the expectation I must uphold
As a future officer of this
as a future officer of the
I pledge to
I pledge to continue learning, to grow in character and confidence, and to serve with courage, humility, and dedication. Salute with pride, respect, and discipline. Character building is nation building. So help me God.
Di masayang kung may patutunguhan sa bawat puno ng
So guys, cut my pin guys.
magagamit natin ang kapayapaan.
Magbubudos kami guys. So guys, yun, tapos na guys. So guys, here's my pin guys. Yan. Bata Tileans. Yan. Thank you sa mga dumalo. Wala na. Guys, after nga pala ng pinning ceremony namin guys, meron kaming konting salo-salo na budel fight guys. So, magaganap yun sa aming department guys, sa may hallway, I think. Malalaman mamaya. So, yun. Stay tuned. Ito yung budel fight guys. Yan. Makain na kami dyan mamaya guys. So guys, mag-start na kami guys.
Hi vlog! Welcome guys!
So nakapunta sila guys. So guys, yun, magsisimula na kami guys. So guys, pinapakalma na ang lahat guys dahil nag-wild dogs na sila.
Oh, ito na, shoutout.
Yan, si Luna, si Benzi, Sir Galardo guys. Snap yan guys. Add nyo yan sa Facebook. Guys, may video presentation guys para ko sa inyo. Kasi ka-present na yun. Video guys. Ito nga pagka-present si Daglo. Gago. Ba, mukbang ah.
Ayun, pangalan sa akin yan, boss. Pangalan mo. Ito eh.
So guys, saan pagkain? Tangin na, handa ka na sila na nakain ko.
Sir, kain sir. Nagkubanto kasi dito eh. Sir, kain sir.